Video to fix Apex Legends prediction error and the red lag icon. And if you've been struggling with it, you know how frustrating it can be when your game lags or disconnects at the worst moments. Are you seeing that red lag symbol pop up every match? This usually happens because your network is unstable or the game server struggles to sync your data fast enough. Most solutions you find on YouTube or social media are long, confusing, and full of steps that are hard to follow. But today on Rexist, I'll show you a secret easy trick that fixes it in just a few clicks without messing with complicated settings. This trick stabilizes your connection and clears the prediction error fast, so you can get back to smooth gameplay immediately. If you want a complete step-by-step tutorial, drop a comment below, and I'll guide you through every single step, so you never have to deal with that annoying red lag icon again.